In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for task management basic to advanced 2025. We'll start with the foundations and build up to powerful time-saving features. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up work, track progress, and keep your projects moving smoothly. Begin by creating a project. You can start from scratch for complete control, pick a template if you want a quick, proven structure, or import a spreadsheet to bring existing work into Asana without retyping. Give the project a clear name and description so everyone understands its purpose at a glance. Next, add tasks. In the list or board view, write action-oriented titles like draft proposal or review budget. Keep names short but specific so they're easy to scan. You can add as many tasks as you need and rearrange them later. Open any task to add details, assign it to the right person, set a realistic due date, and use the description to outline expectations or steps. Attach any files the assignee will need, like briefs or assets, so work stays centralized. This is where clarity pays off and reduces follow-up messages. Organize your tasks with sections, create visual dividers in the list view such as to do, in progress, and complete. Sections make priorities obvious and help your team focus on the right work at the right time. When a task feels too big, break it down with subtasks. Subtasks turn a large deliverable into manageable pieces that you can assign, schedule, and check off independently, while still rolling up under the main task. Switch views to match how you think. Use list view for detailed planning, board view when you want a Kanban-style flow, and calendar view to see everything by date. Changing views doesn't change your data, it just gives you a different lens on the same work. Now, let's move into advanced task management. Add custom fields to track what matters most, like priority, status, or client. These fields make sorting and reporting far more precise. Set dependencies to control sequence. Link tasks so one can't start until another is finished, which prevents accidental overlap and keeps schedules realistic. Use formulas on number fields for automatic calculations. You can compute totals, differences, or other metrics directly in the project, reducing manual math and errors. Set up goals and milestones to connect day-to-day tasks with bigger outcomes. Milestones mark key checkpoints, while goals keep the team aligned and motivated. Utilize dashboards for a high-level overview of status, performance, and workload. Visual charts help you spot risks early and celebrate wins. Finally, automate with rules. For example, automatically assign a task when it moves into a specific section. Automation trims repetitive work so your team can focus on what matters. That's your path from basic setup to advanced control in Asana. Pause where you need, follow along, and you'll be managing projects with confidence.